Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the availability of the username you're going to create on 90 plus social media sites so that you can select a unique username that are available on multiple sites. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for brand snag username checker. Once you do that, just simply open the first website that appear right in front of you. Here, just simply select personal or business as per your recommendation, as per your requirement, and write the username here. For example, if I write the username Facebook and hit search, now it will tell me that if the username is available on the social media handles or not. You can see here currently it's scanning. It says it's available on YouTube and Facebook, but not on Twitter and not on these platforms. So by this site you can easily check which username is available for you and which is not. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.